2021 Bronco, they want me to actually install accessories on. So they want a winch kit put on. What is this? 4 of 18. There must be a bunch of accessories. 4 of 18 it says. It says winch kit M1821 Bravo. Ford Performance Parts from Livonia, Michigan. It's the first box with a bunch of brackets. And then in here, we gotta pull all this stuff out of here. And then this box here, I'm trying to lay everything out to see what I have, is a worn Zeon 10S. So this is all the stuff that comes with this kit. So I'm gonna be putting it together tonight, shooting a video for you guys. I'm gonna stay late to get it done. Real nice, real professional. And hopefully everything goes the way I plan it goes. And this will be a video that probably comes out tomorrow, if anybody's interested. But this will be the 2021 Ford Bronco Ford accessory, Ford Performance part, front winch install. They told me this is like a $3,200 add-on, and that might be just dealer price. So you know, going to the customer, it's probably going to be a hell of a lot more than that. They say it's like a 30-page document on how to install everything. Big beefy brackets. Well, just wanted to give you guys the warning. It's coming. Just let me go get the Bronco so I can show you what that looks like, and then you know what to expect when it's done. And this is the one that we chose to put it on. This was our first Bronco, so we're trying to show it some love. It's gonna look mighty nice on this one. We shall see. Well, wait for the update, guys. I apologize, I can't give it to you right now, but I just wanted to give you forewarning. If anybody's interested in this one too, the stock number on this is L1934. So if you want to call up the dealership and talk to them about this, L1934. This was our first demo that Ford gave us. It's got 2,000 miles on it. Giving it a little love, little love. Be blessed.